Humanity. Humanity also has a problem, and many of us do not admit that we do have a problem, but our relationship with God has been broken. And we need to have our relationships restored to God. And there are several ways we can have that relationship restored. First of all, we can seek to be restored. Say, God, I recognize that I'm a sinner. I recognize I can't save myself. Save me, Lord. We can do that. Or we can say, I know I've had a broken relationship with God, and I'm going to try to fix it myself. And if you try to fix it yourself, the truth is that the Bible tells us that all our righteousnesses are like filthy rags. We can't save ourselves, as we heard this morning. We can ignore the problem and hope it will go away. And let me just say it right now, it's not going away. If you are a sinner, you're going to be a sinner from birth until you die. All have sinned and come short of the glory of God. And James chapter 1 verse 15 tells us, sin, when it is finished, brings forth death. Hebrews 9:27, it is appointed unto man once to die, after death, the judgment of God. Sometimes we can say, well, you know, I'm going to come back as something else. No. The Bible tells us in Hebrews 9, you are going to die once. There is no coming back. Once you're gone, you're gone.